future negotiations. In conclusion, developing negotiation skills in business requires a focus on understanding your objectives, researching the other party, practicing active listening, developing a collaborative mindset, communicating clearly and effectively, developing a strong BATNA, understanding the value of concessions, managing emotions, and continuously improving your skills. By following these strategies and best practices, you can improve your negotiation skills and position yourself for success in business. Continuing from the previous article, we will further explore the strategies and best practices for developing negotiation skills in business. Identify and address potential barriers. Barriers can arise in any negotiation, and it's important to identify and address them as early as possible. This could include cultural or language barriers, conflicting objectives, or power imbalances. By identifying and addressing potential barriers, you can improve the likelihood of reaching a successful negotiation outcome. Develop a strong opening position. A strong opening position can set the tone for a successful negotiation. By developing a clear and compelling opening position, you can establish your credibility and position yourself for success. This could involve highlighting your unique value proposition or emphasizing your strengths and expertise. Use data and facts to support your position. Data and facts can be powerful tools in negotiation. By using data and facts to support your position, you can build credibility and demonstrate the value of your proposals. Additionally, using data and facts can help you overcome objections and reach a mutually beneficial agreement. Practice patience and persistence. Negotiation can be a lengthy process, and it's important to practice patience and persistence. This could involve taking breaks to regroup and refocus, or being persistent in pursuing your objectives. Additionally, practicing patience and persistence can help build trust and rapport with the other party. Develop a win-win mindset. A win-win mindset is essential in negotiation. Rather than focusing solely on your own objectives, strive to find mutually beneficial solutions that meet the needs of both parties. This could involve exploring creative options or finding ways to maximize value for both parties. Seek feedback and reflection. Seeking feedback and reflection is a critical component of developing negotiation skills. This could involve reflecting on your own performance and identifying areas for improvement, or seeking feedback from the other party or a third party. Additionally, seeking feedback and reflection can help you continuously improve your skills and position yourself for success in future negotiations. Understand the importance of ethics. Ethics are a critical component of negotiation. It's important to approach negotiation with integrity and honesty, and to avoid unethical practices such as deception or manipulation. Additionally, understanding the importance of ethics can help build trust and rapport with the other party, which can improve the overall negotiation process. Develop a long-term relationship. Negotiation is often just the beginning of a long-term relationship with the other party. By focusing on developing a long-term relationship, you can build trust and rapport that can benefit both parties in the future. Additionally, developing a long-term relationship can help you navigate future negotiations more effectively. In conclusion, developing negotiation skills in business requires a focus on identifying and addressing potential barriers, developing a strong opening position, using data and facts to support